guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Luna Bear. Today we are going to be making, drumroll please, puppy chow, or I guess some people also call it buddy buddies. Oh hey again. In order to get started, we have to go over the ingredients. And this recipe has, drumroll please, 6 ingredients. 1/4 cup of butter, which is a half stick of butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cheers! 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Yum. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And last but not least, 9 cups of rice Chex. Now we are going to add the chocolate chips, the peanut butter, and the half stick of butter to a microwave safe bowl and microwave on high for 1 minute. It smells like pancakes.
Yummy!
Stir and place back in the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds or until the mixture is smooth. Don't burn it. You heard me. Step 4, add the vanilla and stir. That looks yummy, but at the same time kind of gross. Step 5, pour it into the rice Chex and mix until it's evenly coated. Step 6, once the cereal is all evenly coated, add the powdered sugar to a Ziploc bag and then add the mixture with it. Step 7, seal the bag and shake it. I would recommend sealing the bag with more air in it so the cereal has room to move around. Step 8, pour the mixture onto waxed paper, then spread it and allow it to cool. Let's try a piece. Ooh, that's good. Finally, we're gonna be storing our puppy chow in Ziploc bags. I'm gonna be storing mine in smaller sandwich bags so I can share them with my friends. This puppy chow is really good. You know what? My favorite thing to do with puppy chow is make a bowl of cereal out of it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you come back for my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the Luna Bear channel. Thanks for watching the Luna Bear channel. Thanks for watching the Luna Bear channel. Now go have some fun.